as fuck, I'm up before the sun. Coffee in my cup, charts loading one by one. Ain't no time to waste, got my system down. Trading's what I do, about to get this crown. Screens all lit up, candles red and green. This my morning shit, know just what I mean. Sipping slow and steady, while I check the trends. Mad focus now, this is how my day begins. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Fuck the formal trading, that ain't how I roll. Take my time analyzing, that's how I get gold. Coffee getting cold, but I'm locked right in. Watching patterns form, know just where to begin. This ain't rocket science, just my daily grind. Same shit, different day, but I'm doing fine. Got my setup perfect, got my mind just right. About to make these moves, gonna do this shit all night. Sipping and trading, trading and sipping. Got my momentum, ain't no way I'm slipping. Yeah. Numbers and patterns, patterns and flows. This is my rhythm, everybody knows. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Making money moves, daily shit feel from home. Fucking getting cold, but I'm still in the zone. Making money move, yeah, this shit feels like home. Fuck sleep, I got my morning napped, while these other bitches still trapped in the naps. Quiet house, screens lit up bright. My setup perfect, everything's right. First sip hits, mind gets clear. Another day to fucking dominate here. Watch the numbers dance and slide, while my coffee keeps me certified. Charts and coffee started right, yeah. Focus tight, mind in flight, mind in flight. Charts and coffee make it flow, yeah. That's the rhythm that I know. Second cup, now I'm in the zone. All these patterns speaking in code. They don't know about this morning grind, being sharp when others fall behind. Fuck that FOMO, I stay composed. Years of practice, that's how it goes. Every move calculated clean. This ain't luck, you know what I mean. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real one me. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real ones apart. Their cup's cold, but I don't care. These indicators showing me where to place it perfect, time is sweet, while amateurs still catch disease. This game ain't for the weak or slow. Gotta be ready when it's time to go. Morning ritual got me trained. Others sleep while I maintain. Charts and coffee one more time, yeah. This rhythm's yours and this rhythm's mine, this rhythm's mine. Early hours hit me with a different kind of peace. While the world's still quiet, I find my release. Just me and these numbers dancing slow, building patterns in my mind as I go. Something special about this morning, and way before the day is time to care. And I keep asking myself as the minutes tick by, I keep wondering why every morning feels so right. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? You asked me once why I rise before the sun. Said I'm chasing something that can't be outrun. It's not about the money or the gain, it's about finding clarity when things ain't the same. Each morning ritual brings me closer to truth. Like watching steam rise, I'm finding proof that patience builds more than just a perfect cup. It's teaching me when to hold, when to give up. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? Sometimes I wish you could see this morning meditation with me, where everything makes sense before the world gets intense. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? What's brewing me? Catching pattern while the world's still asleep. First light hits my screen, I'm in my element. Fresh brew by my side, mind is confident. Reading these patterns like sheet music, feel the flow. Each candlestick painting stories as they go. Morning meditation with my market view. Catching waves of data, riding them with you. Some see just numbers, I hear the melody. Each trend line speaking rhythmically to me. Time signatures changing, support levels hold. Breaking down resistance as the day unfolds. Charts and coffee, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Second cup hitting different minds, eye clear. Watch these price points dance, appear and reappear like a jazz musician. Reading between the lines, finding sweet spots where opportunity shines.
keep it cool and steady, no need to rush. Let the market breathe, feel that morning hush. Been studying patterns since you've been sleeping, watching lines form art while knowledge I'm reaping. Strategy tight like a bebop groove, calculated steps on when to make my move. Speed picks up, more test delivery. Quick shifts coming, tempo changing fast. Gotta stay composed, make these moments last. Reading signals, catching every beat. Market symphony playing just for me. Mind state elevated, focus clean. This ain't just trading, this is art you're seeing. Charts and coffee, it has my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Want a ritual complete, left my mark on these streets of green and red, but the rhythm stays in my head. Morning comes, I think of you first. Chart lines dance while my coffee bursts. Been at this game since day one, teaching me patience like you always done. Charts and coffee, that's our way, that's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Numbers flow like the brew in my cup. Some days down, but we keep looking up. You showed me how to read these signs. Now every morning feels like yours and mine. Remember what you taught me about staying cool. When markets get wild, I follow your rules. Charts and coffee, that's our way. That's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Just you, me, and these morning routines. Building something real, building something real, what I mean. Watch you rushing in the morning, trying to catch every move. But let me share something with you that'll help improve your groove. See, you're like fresh beans waiting to release what's locked inside. But patience makes the difference between success and a wild ride. Take it slow, watch it form, just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, just like your morning cup, just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up, don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. You check your screens at sunrise, Numbers dancing everywhere, but trading's like my coffee method. It needs time and tender care. Temperature's important, just like timing in the trade. Too hot and you'll get burned quick. Too cold, opportunities fade. Take it slow, watch it form. Just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. I've seen too many burn out, trying to catch every wave. But the ones who last the longest know just when to stay away. So here's my morning lesson as I pour this cup for you. The market gives its gifts to those who know just what to do. Like coffee needs its moments for the flavors to extract. Your trades need proper timing before you plan to act. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. Just up before the rest of the block now. Just me and my laptop. Tick-tock, haven't even brushed my teeth yet. But these charts ain't gonna read themselves, I bet. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Same way I read these charts all the time. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. That's how we make these moves round here. That's how we do. Red candles flash on my screen while I'm sipping something mean. Used to play it fast and lose, now I wait for confirmation, that's the truth. Got a system, got a plan, I'm trading like a rookie, understand. Numbers dancing, but stay cool, cause panic selling's for a fool. Some days green, some days red, gotta keep a level head. Deep breath in, let it flow. This ain't no casino, yo. This is chestnut checkers, fam. Gotta think before you slam. Markets opening in 5. Feel my focus come alive. Charts tell stories if you know how to read between the highs and lows. Been at this since way back when. Now I'm teaching you, my friend. This ain't luck, this ain't chance. This is morning market dance. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Every single morning, we do this right. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. It's the only way we move from here. creeps through my window pane. Before the world wakes, I'm in my domain. Steam rising slow like thoughts in my brain. Watching lines that move like waves of grain. Every morning's got its own sweet flow. Some days fast, but mostly moving slow. Learning how to read which way things go. Finding peace in what these mornings show. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. Fuck the noise, I'm focused on my path. Reading signals through the aftermath. Every line's a story that I grasp. Some shit falls, other things will last. Damn, I left these mornings by myself. Learning lessons money couldn't help. Every cup of wisdom brings me wealth. Beyond what's sitting on my shelf. Filter through the static. Find the flow that's magic. In the quiet hours, let it all unfold. Watch the truth get told. Patterns start to speak. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. Oh, in the quiet. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. That's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. Oh, in the quiet. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. La la la, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear. La la la, the quiet hours. First rays break through my window pane. Coffee drips slow like a gentle rain. Numbers dance across my screen. I remain in this space where focus meets the mundane. Every morning, same position, same station. Building blocks of daily meditation. Clear mind as I track each indication. Patient breathing, deep contemplation. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In a rhythm, watch it move. Finding truth in every groove. Lines intersect, I'll watch them play. Reading signs that point the way. Years of practice taught me how to stay cool and steady through each display. My fingers trace ascending paths while steam rises, making me laugh This quiet hour holds its craft as wisdom flows through every draft. Each morning brings another chance to perfect this sacred dance. Some see chaos, I see design. Some feel rushed, I take my time. In these moments I refine every signal, every sign. Beyond the surface lies the art of knowing when to stop and start. Each cup of wisdom sets apart the discipline that fills my heart. Early hours hold the key to everything I need to see. In this space, I'm truly free to let the knowledge flow through me. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In the rhythm, watch it move, finding truth in every groove. First cup steaming beside my screen. Charts and candles know what I mean. Trying to show you how I move. When markets open, got nothing to prove. Markets calling my name. Trading ain't just a game. Watch and learn, babe, watch and learn. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you how to survive. Morning routine, let me show you mine. Building wealth one trade at a time. Woke up early, check the trends. Send your signals, watch you win. Ain't no sleeping when Asia trades. Got my system, got it made. Keep it cool, stay in the zone. Analysis on my phone. Trading life, it's all I know. Watch these profits start.
Listen up, I'ma break it down for you straight. Look, charts telling stories while others hesitate. RSI crossing NACDs looking clean. Building strategies like you ain't never seen. Resistance levels got me feeling so alive. Support zones when my orders through sleep. Now I'm teaching you to swim in the deep. Trading wisdom, dropping knowledge every day. Show you how to read the markets display. No FOMO moves, we stay calculated. Success comes to those who waited.
Take notes while I demonstrate. Perfect entries, never too late. Watch how I navigate. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you how First light breaking through my window, cup in hand, just me and morning slogans. Watching steam curl up towards the ceiling, each breath measured, each moment revealing. Early peace before the world starts spinning, just us here, no need for pretending. Screen comes alive with gentle blue light, your patterns speak to me, morning feels right. Time suspended in the sacred space, just learning your rhythms, finding my place. From my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Watching patterns flow, 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 flow. Each candlestick painting stories clear, teaching lessons if you know how to hear. Red and green dancing on my screen, speaking truths about what might have been. Patient moments turn to understanding, while my coffee cools, wisdom expanding. You show me past the peaks and valleys to reaching, surely teaching discipline through each rally. In these quiet hours we share our dance, numbers flowing, giving life its chance. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Let it flow, let it breathe, morning wisdom sitting free. Let it rise, let it be, finding peace in what I see. Early morning stillness, just you and me. Coffee pot brewing, charts on my screen. Every ripple in my cup shows me something new. Just like market trends, they're giving me a clue. Watch it rise and fall, both seem in lines. Morning meditation sharpening my mind. I can read these patterns like they're speaking clear, teaching me the rhythm of the day that's near. Every line tells a story, every trend holds a truth.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Discord.
That's what I gotta do.
Whoops, need to cut the music down. Hold on, guys. Try this again. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Discord. Good morning, Rumble. How is everybody today? I can hear you. That's great. Happy Halloween, everybody. Oh, that's a hell of a beard, Paul. Yeah, looks good.
Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Warner's chatting away about hearing you, and I'm sitting here going like, what the hell is he talking about? I'm sitting here waiting for you to start.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear
Very good.
you.
Happy days. All sort of.
Let's see what we can do today, guys. Happy Halloween, everybody. Anyway, I said, hell of a beard you got there, Paul. That's what I said. You didn't hear that, but yeah, now I said it. Now you heard me.
I was just complaining about the fact that the jump in the price of getting a goddamn beard from. I was like, are you kidding me? I was kind of shocked. It costs this much? Only got a bit of bloody hair in the face, but everything's away mental price wise.
Yeah, yeah.
How much is 20 quid?
Hey?
How much is 20 quid in US dollars?
About $25.
Oh, that's a haircut.
I'm practically bald. I normally do it myself. So yeah, talking about $25 is like against. It's like the conversation reality had with us yesterday about the cost of data and all that stuff. I would be like, why would I pay 25 for something I can do myself? Fortunately, the beard got completely out of control, so I had to actually get a professional to get that wee bit done. So yeah, my first ever rat's tail. So I'm going for the Viking look.
Very nice. Very
Shield and
nice.
cap.
Hopefully, we're going to get some movement today, guys. We're playing around with yesterday's high, as you can see. Hadn't made it back to weekly open yet. Can we get that pop today? Oh, but we are right at weekly open, or I mean, right at yesterday's high, guys. We keep on rejecting yesterday's high, so obviously we will have stopped setting above. Saying we can get up there. Not saying we will, but you know, we kind of talked about this the first of the week, right? Let's see. And don't go out there and long. That's not what I'm saying by any means. But let's see how the open comes at 9:30. Right now, we're still setting below. We put a wick on this candle right here to the left. So wick is on with this candle here. So now does the wick hold? Or do we come up and break this wick and start testing highs again? I have a line here. Paul probably knows. If anybody needs to know, I have no idea what that line is. But there is a line on the chart at 40.72.5. I guess we expect something there. I will tell you, if we pull a 0.5 from weekly open to where we are right now, it's probably about the 0.5. So
It's a perfect market structure as well. I don't have enough 0.5 there yet, but I haven't drawn the foot before that entire move. But yeah, I can see exactly where we're aiming for. There's VWAPs and market structure and everything up around there.
Okay, so there you go. See, I told you Paul would know. I have no idea why that line's on my chart, guys, but Paul always knows why it's there, which works, but that would be the 0.5. It'd be halfway to weekly open. If you pull from right where we are to weekly open, that's the halfway point. So yeah. Can we see if we can get some up movement on gold? That would be something nice. We got plenty of range down that's clean still yet. If we're running to the downside, if we stay within the range we're in currently, right? So it'd be fine as well. But we kind of were hoping for weekly open. From the end of the week, we'll see what happens. Dixie's moving up too, which is a little unusual for gold to be moving up with her, but maybe the government reopens today, and you know that dumps Dixie down and gold flies. Who knows? Yeah, I can't say those things live, can I? I can't say those things live.
Still here. It's okay.
Morning, good morning.
Good morning, Alex. How are you?
I'm good, man. How are you?
I am great. How are you?
Great. That's awesome.
It's great. It's great. Love Fridays.
Yeah, but it's in my opinion, it's the worst day to lose money on.
Yeah, it's the best day to make money though. Oh.
Yeah, also it's also the best day to make money.
Stay away from Fridays like it's a temple pole.
I don't know, Ike. I love Friday. Friday's my favorite. I'm not gonna lie to you. Love it, love it, love it. Well, see, I haven't been able to trade on Friday for quite a few weeks now. I've been able to take his wifey always having the doctor's appointments.
Oh, I think I know why you like Fridays. It's just full port Friday. That's why.
No, we have had some full port Fridays, but no, the reason that I like Fridays is normally what happens is, Mondays, traders, get involved in their positions and essentially the traders win. And then by Friday, when it's time to start closing, especially like your swing traders and stuff like that, they like to come and run stops. So Friday, you get a good bit of stop runs, and that feeds right into my style. So,
Like big moves, you mean, or?
I mean, not necessarily news. I mean, sometimes we have news on Fridays too, but not necessarily news. It's just normally you get big movements. If you go and you look at, I mean, I don't know if it's every asset, but gold, right? That's what I trade. But you go and you look at your Monday charts, you'll see that it's pretty rangy. And by Fridays, we're running, and running through all the stop losses. Guys are trying to get involved. They're so pumped up about the weekend, trying to make money, getting desperate, getting their stops ran, or they've made some money, they'll give it all back. The famous story is, I made X amount of profit this week, and then I came back Monday and gave it all back. That's what you hear all the time. The reason for that is because the stops get ran on Fridays really, really, really well. Normally, not always, right? This isn't a guaranteed thing, but for the most part, stops get pretty ran on Fridays. So for me, that's like my playground. I love it out here on Fridays. Best place ever.
As you probably know, I only really trade NQ.
Yeah.
So Fridays, they tend to trend one direction. And it usually ends up being the opposite way of what Monday has done.
Yeah.
That kind of goes back to what you're saying, that, it might not take out Monday low or something like that, but, if Monday is bullish, Friday should be bearish.
Yeah. And that's the thing. They basically catch those guys that got in and hadn't taken profit and got out yet. And they'll basically knock them out before the weekends here. So that's kind of why I like it. It seems like they do a lot more stop runs on Friday, in my opinion. But I love Friday. Full port Friday too. Yeah, I mean, guys always want to do the full port Friday thing, and that's a fun thing that we do here and there too. We'll do full port Friday here and there just for fun. Hadn't did it in a while, but next one will probably be the anniversary. I think we got, what is it this year, guys? 3-year anniversary, I think. Yeah, I think we'll do the 3-year anniversary this year. We'll do
last year.
Yeah, last year was a 2-year, right? I believe it's 3-year this year, guys. I can't even keep up anymore. Could be more than that, but I think it's 3-year. We'll do some full port Friday. We'll do some giveaways, all that good stuff come the anniversary. So
Nice.
Nasdaq has got a lot of potential for the downside today. There's all of the VWAPs. There's a gap. There's so much below. But again, like I said, I'm scared.
Did you see yesterday, Jake? We filled the VWAP 00 opening.
No, I can't say I was paying particular attention. Yesterday was the way mental altogether. It was a while I was talking.
Yeah, I can show you. It was pretty crazy movement from that point. Just tapped it, spiked up.
Yeah, VWAP. Sorry, yeah, I've seen it now. Actually, sorry, yes, Tuesday's VWAP actually held through the dollar. Seen it now. Sorry, I've got 5 different charts going at the one time.
And that move we were talking about on NQ, you were talking about NQ, so I went ahead and pulled it up real quick. But that move we were talking about NQ yesterday during the stream, we came down, tapped that 25.4650, that the line that we drew in, and anybody that showed up, like during the stream, we saw this play. And what did we say? We said we're going to get longs in here, and then we're going to come down, and we're going to take those longs out. And that's exactly the algo trade that we traded yesterday afternoon for anybody that was here for the algo. This candle right here, we got the next candle, wick up, and we traded the flip of this candle to recover this wick right here. That was the algo short that we talked about. And then as I told Aiken and Paul, because both of them were here after, this was the 4 o'clock candle right here. And I did not trade this. They did. Absolutely amazing. Came down. What happened? Shorts were super bearish. No bottom wick on this candle. Bottom wick flip. That flip would have been your long to run back up. And they actually both got that long back up after that run of these stops here. So, I mean, we talked about this as we were about here. What was it? Yeah, 9 o'clock yesterday morning. We were talking about this move. And we drew all this TA up. I left it on the chart. I didn't even realize until we got to the algo and we pulled it up on the phone. Of course, my trading view still got the same chart on it. And I was like, oh, perfect. We're gonna come down here and we're gonna run these stops. Very perfect. So that's why I called the short for the algo yesterday for all those that are following along with that algo trade. Absolutely amazing trade yesterday afternoon. For any of you that aren't showing up, you need to show up to those, but that was the exact setup. It's not, a lot of you guys think that we look at this algo and we're just saying, okay, we're flipping a quarter and trying to choose a direction on that thing. This was the exact setup that we talked about yesterday morning at 9 o'clock right here in this candle. Whoa, where'd my TA go? Just disappeared. I don't know. I don't know what happened there, but it just went away. Did you guys see that? Where did it go?
Press the undo button. The one at the top.
Just push back?
To the left. Out in there, so you just have undo anything.
No, nothing happened. I don't get that. Well, you guys saw it was there. I don't know what happened there. Is all my TA gone? Oh, yeah.
Just press reload.
Okay, how do I reload? Where's that at?
Just the reload button on your web browser up beside the back button. Sorry, refresh. No, not up with on the actual web browser itself.
Well, this isn't.
Browser.
Yeah, this ain't on a web browser. This is the app.
Okay, sorry. I only ever used the web browser. I didn't even realize.
Well, crap. I guess the wifey will probably tell me, but I lost all my TA on all my charts. Huh. Very odd. Anyway, that's what it was. But so that people just don't think that we're just running away with it, right? We're not just, flipping a quarter on these algos. We actually put time into what we assume is going to happen, right? So I know Jashim said in the very beginning, he says, oh, so I can't believe you gamble like this. Reality, you just come out and just, push a button one way or another. That's not how the algo works, guys. If anybody thinks that, ask some questions. Ask Paul, ask Aiken, ask me, ask some questions. Don't just think that this is just a thing of, hey, flip a quarter and jump in, because that's really not what it is. I do not understand. I know there's a refresh button on here somewhere. I know you're right, Paul. I just don't know where it is. No, it's for the app. Lost TA. Let me see what you get. Do you got it there? Yeah, you sure do. Thank you. Thank you, man of the woods. I sure hope I don't. I may need that screenshot. All joking. I don't understand. I cannot figure it out. I wish she knows how to do it. I don't. I know there is a way to do it, though. I just don't want to mess with anything and do anything wrong. I thought maybe it was in this, but I don't see it. Anyway, yeah, it just kind of disappeared. But for those that were here yesterday, there it came back. Are you kidding me? Wow. All right, there it is. It's back. Answer me why. I don't have a clue. Don't ask me. Is this one back? No. NQ didn't come back. Let's see. Maybe it'll come back if I leave it long enough. Or maybe I'll lose gold now. Anyway, we'll stay with gold. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on. I get it. Huh. Ignore it. Maybe it'll come back. Yeah, I guess so. I don't know. Let's see if gold does anything here, but I don't understand.
My ex-girlfriend, if you ignore her, she'll come back.
I do not know what... There it is. It is back. Good job. But anyways, this was the area. This is right here where we took the trade, guys. So hopefully everybody gets that. When I came in, I said, let's see if we can recover this wick. That was the wick we were looking for the recovery for that trade. But Dakin and Paul were on the next level because at 4 o'clock when that candle closed, they jumped in on that long too. So, which was very perfect. All right, Paul. See you in a minute.
Took a little bit of that short because I got out towards the very bottom. I was off by $1, but I got out at, what was it, 83.75 and went down to 82.
Yep.
Better than TJ.
Yep. Very nice. Very nice. Like I said, very, very perfect setup there. We talked about it yesterday morning prior to. Worked out perfectly, and then getting that long back up was just, you know, being in the right time at the right place. I wasn't looking to take a trade at that point, but it was a perfect entry, not gonna lie. I didn't get it, but I did get the short. So for any of you guys that do show up for that thing, it kind of gives you insight. Has anybody got any questions on that? Anything? How any of that works? Gives you insight on how it works on the algo trade if any of you are trading it. Nothing. Where did Alex go? I guess he's gone again. I show up at 4:10 to see how y'all did. Yeah, you don't have to. You don't have to be tempted that way, man of the woods. I've tried a few times, but I got a bit. From now on, it will be too late for me, my old bones. Yeah. And that's the thing. It's basically how it works, Warner. And I guess I'll just show you on, well, I'll show you on NQ. Let me see if I can get NQ to close out gold to see that. There. So essentially, if you're talking about taking advantage of this thing, I mean, you want to be super careful about it. Wait for a setup on NQ at the same time. If you're talking about, you know, taking advantage of it.
It's the left lane.
Sorry.
And say you're on this candle, just for instance, trade back up. There's a very small wick here, so you're trying to trade back up for the break of these highs, and the candle's about to close right here. This no wick candle and this no wick top is essentially going to be where your entry is. It's just the entry, just the same as anything that we do. If there's plenty of wicks and you're looking for a long up and we're just ranging, then this is going to be more of where your entry is going to be, up here at the top of the range. So a lot of people think that it's just a enter, right? We say, okay, well, we've got a long setup, so we're going to go long, or whatever the case may be. Say short here, you're going to go short. Most people just want to try to enter it. And the thing is, you still are looking for an area to enter that's going to be safe, essentially an area that's going to break, that's going to continue on, or a top wick that's going to be put on, or whatever. So you still are looking for entry criteria rather than just pushing long or short or market entry or whatever. And the reason behind all that is if this thing, let's say you were trying to go long above the highs, and I'll go ahead and drop pin. I think you guys can see the pin. Anyway, hopefully this thing doesn't just blast off on me, but let's just say that you're going to go along here. If this thing comes in, hits target or hits the clock real quick, boom, and shoots down, well, I just push the close button, right? Because it went down. There's no entry now, and that's the whole thing. With the algo trade, the biggest part, in my opinion, to the risk management side of it is the fact of if you're not triggered, you want to give yourself room to trigger. If you're not triggered, you close so that you don't get triggered. That's the whole point, because you're expecting a push. So you expect it to push down, you expect it to push up, depending on which way the setup is. Yesterday, for instance, we were on this candle right here. So we were expecting the push down, right? I mean, I was. So I called the push down. So we're looking for an entry for the push down. Well, what had happened is the first entry, the actual first algo, it went up. So I put my entry down here, click, threw an entry, and the candle's pushed up. So I hit the close button, never triggered. And then the next one came in, and I was still looking for the same thing because we were still playing in this candle here. It was just a doji at the time. So I put my entry below again. The next candle came in and triggered it, and she ran down. And you just drag your stop, or do if you're using the algo ATM, you hit TP1, your stop goes into profit, and then you just drag your stop with price as it goes. We were expecting I was expecting the recovery of this wick here, and we were up here. So that's essentially the move I was looking for, and it happened, right? I ended up out before it completely recovered that wick, but it was still a very, very nice trade. So that's kind of how you run it. It's not just entering, because what you're expecting is there's going to be a push one way or the other. You don't want to get triggered if it's not pushing your way. So kind of keep that in mind. Kind of look at this 800 tick chart and figure out, where your push would be, and try to manage that accordingly, if you will, if that's what you're because essentially if you don't get triggered, you're not in the position. I mean, the only bad thing you don't want is for it to come up, trigger you, and then drop down. It normally doesn't happen like that, or come down, trigger you, and then go back up. Normally that don't happen. Can it happen now and again? Yes, but for the most part, that's not how the algo trade works. It'll push one way or the other, and that's the whole reason that you want to make sure that you don't get tagged in before it makes that push, right? Hopefully that makes sense. I probably need to change that back so that you guys can see the gold chart once I pull that back up. I can't show them both at the same time, unfortunately. They don't work because they're on top of one another. Where's gold at? Right there. Right? Yeah. Yeah, with DST, the algo will happen at around 11 at night. Yeah, that's the only bad thing now. But we're about to change time, and I don't exactly know how it changes. But yeah, we'll see. I mean, I don't know how that changes for you, I guess, for the time. But yeah, that's how that algo works, guys. For all you that are hesitant or whatever else, just watch it. Maybe do it on sim. Get yourself acclimated with it, rather than just jumping in and grabbing the bull by the horns. Maybe get yourself acclimated with it on sim and seeing how it actually works and how the entry methods work, and try to take advantage of that. I mean, they're good trades. 2 p.m. after 10 p.m. after the second. Okay, I got you. Yeah. Does anybody have any questions about that algo trade?
One thing I have noticed this last couple of weeks, reality, after the algo trade runs and power finishes, she has a tendency to continue moving a lot. And you seen it last night, that massive pump back up again. I've kind of noticed that because me and Aiken would normally sit on past power for maybe half an hour or maybe more, depending on what's happening. So there is some big moves being made after power. I have noticed this last while.
Well, that's pretty interesting. Like I said, I saw the one yesterday only because I was still sitting there looking at the phone, and I was like, I want to see this thing actually recover that wick, and it goes down, recovers the wick. There's no bottom wick, puts on a bottom wick, and I mean, it flipped and ran, and I was like, man, that was a perfect freaking setup as well. Perfect setup, perfect entry. I can't believe it. But normally I don't watch it after the fact. I just wanted to see it recover that wick on that candle that we were working on, and just so happened as soon as it recovered that, it wasn't but, I mean, you were watching it, it wasn't but maybe 15 seconds that it ran that bottom wick, flipped and ran up. I was like, holy moly. So I see what you're talking about. I hadn't watched it prior to yesterday, though. I just kind of shut down and went on my merry way. But yeah, I agree. It definitely moved yesterday. I'll give you that. Well, that's something to pay attention to, guys. I mean, if you can trade past the algo trade, obviously, and I know some of you guys, it's tough because of your time, like Werner was stating there, but if you can trade past that algo time and trade that 4 o'clock candle as well, apparently it's been doing super good as of late, guys, so pay attention to that as well.
Remember, most of the time it just doesn't pump. I don't think it's going to happen just because it happens twice.
Yeah.
Usually anything after 4 o'clock is quote no volume. Yeah, okay.
See if we can get some movement at 9:30, I hope, guys, because this is kind of slow. Not the Friday I'm looking for.
Even if I trade Fridays, I definitely concentrate it again.
I can barely hear you, Aiken. I don't know why, but you sound distant.
Yo, I got the headset in.
Is it just me, guys? Or yeah, I mean, I can hear you. You just sound like.
Yeah, you sound very far away.
Yes. Yeah, you sound. Yeah, you're clear. Like Werner said, it just seems like you're a bit out in the North 40 somewhere. Up volume 2 more, and I'll have to turn you down.
That's weird. Like I said, I know you guys are coming in just a little bit low on my ear, but then whenever I turn the car off, it tries to switch the Bluetooth and messes everything up. I just stopped to get gas and they like muted me the whole time. I don't know what's going on with it. The weird part is I have it Bluetooth on both my iPad and my phone. I connected it on my iPhone, but it's still connected on my iPad. So I'm not understanding how it can be connected to 2 different devices at the same time.
One minute till New York opens.
A bad candle, but Let's see what we can do here. I really would like to see push up. Let's see how the next top wick on the 30, or I mean on the 15, which is nice. Pushed up first. Stop now. Pretty. Tough. Structure for that. Enough volume
It's a horrible candle.
on the daily open. Yeah, he is. Not really a fan of the close, I'll be honest with you. Setup that we were talking about yesterday to run through. Perfect, but it takes some time to develop from here, sadly. I'd like to see the stops ran back down through here, but
I mean, for Nasdaq, I could if it doesn't hold around this level, I could definitely see it inducing shorts and then flip it.
yeah.
She looks like she's about to sweep the London low again. There's a wickless 5 minute down there as well. That'll give us a nice opening range then to work with. So I could see 144 the next candle or two. That would be the entire range swept with that. Hopefully that'll have all of the shorts induced.
Yep.
I'm just very worried though about the gap and all of the VWAPs below me, and everything to me is screaming down.
The gap from the 26th?
Yeah, but even above that there's a pile of VWAPs, but I have seen it maybe 3 or 4 times over the last maybe month where she hasn't done a sweep off VWAPs on the current week. So it's just like I said, I'm nervous. Like I said, that 144 should be coming about now. That'll put a wick on the 5 minutes, so we should have about an idea of the range with 50 seconds left. One more push now. Oh, 35 seconds left, just put the wick on the 5. I almost went short in that one as well, but it's never a good idea to take a trade in the opening range unless you're absolutely guaranteed which way it's going. You stopped bang on 144, Aiken. Literally.
What's that?
There's the, what do you call them, that 5-minute opening range on the NQ stop literally at that 144. Literally touched London's low to the dollar. Literally to the dollar. I'll drop a chart here in a second once I drop this range.
That's struggling there. Maybe.
Big boys are stepping in on this one.
Yeah. Yeah, short, a lot of shorts trapped of this thing reverses. She's still stuck within ranges that we've been dealing with, down as far as that 144. If she breaks us, I'd like to see a move down. If she holds here, I'd like to see a move up. So wait and see.
The British target was 42.50. Let's see if they get it. Take out the previous wick too.
Yeah.
There it is, 42.50.
Well, yeah, we broke through the 144. Let's see what happens now. 5 seconds to the close of this 5-minute candle.
$75. 2075. Let's go. Momentum sucks.
Yeah. You can see from the volume on the 5-minute, massive initial push assumed by the market makers and just all were short.
Yeah, they after that last candle closed, they stepped in.
Mm-hmm.
What are the 5-minute traders seeing in reality?
On gold or in Q?
Gold.
You got a big double top M pushing down.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that was the range. We came down out of it. A little tough there. They're probably trying to short this thing, all joking aside, but I still I don't want to say that we're definitely going to weekly open, but man, I really would like to see a move up. I guess, I mean, I'm not trying to be biased. But you know what I'm saying. I mean, that's what it looks like. Looks like you've got this double top now. You've got the move up. If we get back into range, you know, maybe there's something to do. But unfortunately, it looks to me like we are moving down currently. I mean, where's your next range? Right here. That's what I was drawing out just a little bit ago. Right here. That's what we'll see next. Could have found an entry to trade short gray. I didn't have and there's no entry for me there, guys. Didn't really get a close below here. You could have went down to a lower time frame, maybe, and tried it. And structure's completely changed. Here. You guys already know that. Well, if here's your next structure, though, let's see what she does here. But what I was looking for was a close below here, like we talked about yesterday. We had the same exact setup that we were talking about. It was right here, and we were looking at that up right here. Well, maybe it was here. I don't remember. We had that exact same setup yesterday, though, that we were looking to play similar to how this one's playing. So it looks good, all joking aside. I don't remember where it was, though. Would have liked to seen longs come up off of it first. They really didn't. The shorts, it just kind of fell through. So.
DXY is pumping.
Yeah, that's what we saw. Oh, it's really pumping now. Wow. Yeah, that's what we saw in the beginning. That's what I couldn't figure out. Gold was going up. on this candle, and so was Dixie. But now Dixie's really pumping, and gold's going down as it should. So I've got a prediction. Me and the wife were just talking about this. I think it was yesterday, maybe the day before. She says, "So, what do you think's going to happen when the government reopens?" I said, "Dixie's going to dump." I said, "Gold's going to pump." She says, "That is sad if the government reopens and Dixie dumps." She says, "If that's bad for the dollar for it to reopen," she says, "that's really bad." I said, that's kind of how I see it. I don't know. We'll see, but it would not surprise me at all, guys. Anybody got any big plans for the weekend?
Way there.
Gardening, gardening.
That works. That works.
So about Friday and Monday, I'm hanging out with my buddy down in Philly.
That's cool.
Got time to work it. I really want to go to the Day of the Dead stuff, but I don't think I'll be able to make it on Sunday.
Day of the Dead stuff. What is it?
You know, like festivals, parades, stuff like that. I just like
Oh,
Day of
wow.
the Dead.
Oh, cool.
We have a friend and everything up at the house, so it's nice. Like if I really wanted to, I would go to like Mexico or Texas. That right there for Day of the Dead is fire.
What about like
That's really cool.
what about like New Orleans? Is it big there or no?
I'm not entirely sure. To be
Yeah.
honest, I've heard about NO, but I never been there.
Yeah. See, I've never been to New Orleans either. I've been to Louisiana, obviously. I've been to like Lafayette and all these areas, but I've never been to New Orleans. That's one of the places I'd like to go. It's like Savannah, right? I've been to Georgia. I've been all kinds of places in Georgia, but I actually never been to Savannah. These are some of the things that I wanted to do once I got my Sprinter built, but I don't know what I'm thinking I got to put that on hold now. So kind of sucks, but what are you going to do?
Your mind, know exactly when you break, it's just a matter of time. Your hands are made of paper, mine are titanium. I'll liquidate your ass straight to oblivion. Shards looking bearish, watch me flip that shit. While you're panic selling, I'm accumulating it. This ain't personal, baby, just business sense. But watching you lose, everything brings pure suspense.
Wifey kind of has been talking about moving back to the Midwest. I don't know. This morning I woke up, it was 48 degrees and I was freezing to death. So I don't know. I don't know if I can do that Midwest thing.
It's a summer's day here. What are you on about?
You're crazy. That's freezing to me, Paul. That's freezing to me.
Wow. That's t-shirt weather.
Yeah, right. I went out this morning and I have right now I've got insulated sweats on, wool socks, And I went outside this morning and I put on my Docker's jacket and a stocking cap.
I'm running around the house wearing sandals in reality.
I know. Wifey was like, what is wrong with you? She says, what is wrong with you? I'm like, it's freezing. She says, it's not even that cold. She says, it's crisp.
It's crisp.
Yeah, crisp. That's whatever you want to call it. It's freezing to me. You can call it crisp if you want. Nipply, yep. Oh my jeez. I thought it was cold. I don't know, Werner, is that, like, to you, is that 48 degrees Fahrenheit? Is that considered, is that chilly to you, or is that moderate, or where are you at? Like, I know I'm a little partial because I spend all my time in Florida, so therefore I've kind of adapted to this temperature, and that's not cold to most people, right? But what is it to you where you're at? 54 Fahrenheit t-shirt weather this morning, yeah. No way is it warmer there than it is here. Winter's around 0 Fahrenheit? So you get that cold there too? Oh, wow. Okay, I wasn't sure. how. Oh, Celsius. Okay, so that's 32. That's 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay.
For me, while I'm driving, it says it's 51 outside, but inside it's like 75.
Yeah, around freezing is that's about where we get in the winter too, for the lows. Like, sometimes we'll get there, but it's like 2-3 days a year that we get down to freezing. That's it, and that's overnight. That's it. Normally during the wintertime here, it's more like 50s and 60s still. So like 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Fahrenheit, right? So, the woods, I can't believe it was warmer there than it is here when you woke up this morning when you woke up at 48 degrees here. Absolute madness. Minus 10 degrees Celsius and lower here. Under 0 Fahrenheit. Yeah. Yeah, and that's the thing. In Kansas, it was that way. In Kansas, you'd get 18 below 0 in the winters and like 118 during the summers. Just absolute. I hated the weather. Just absolute madness. Yeah. Absolute madness, but.
118.
Yeah, out in western Kansas. Yeah, out in western Kansas. That's the thing. Here in Florida, it never gets over 100. Yes, it's a dry heat, Warner. Yes. Yep, in Kansas, it is very, very dry. The dry heat out west, yeah. Not humid like here in Florida by any means. Yes, exactly. Florida's humid, yes. Very, very, very humid. And it doesn't get 100, though. But yeah, I know what you're saying. A lot of people can't stand the humidity. Hope that 15 isn't set up there.
When you're waking up at 8 o'clock and it's like, what?
Yep. That 15 did set up. I wasn't paying no attention, but 70 tick stop loss, that would have been tough. Or that little bitty candle. Not great. There's nothing really here, guys. I mean, there's a great candle, but...
Are you on the east or west side of Florida?
West.
Oh, okay. When I go see my dad, I'm up in Hudson.
Yeah, see, I'm not far from there. I'm north. I'm way north of there, but not far. Because
what's the name of that place? Crystal Clear River up there?
Yeah, Crystal River, stuff like that, yeah. I'm up there because I live like out kinda in the county, if you will. So I'm kinda out in the outskirts, which is nice. So it's kind of the country to people that are here in Florida. To me, this isn't really it's not really considered country, but that's what they call this area, because you can have property out here and pretty much do whatever you want because you're outside of town. So it's as country as you can get in Florida, but to me, it's not. I don't see it as country. Your neighbor's too close. Like in western Kansas, your nearest neighbor is going to be, you know, at least a mile, 2 miles away. You can't even find any property that's got a mile away here in Florida. Everybody's stacked on top of each other. So I don't call it country, but people here, you know, they see it as country. Hunting gators and stuff, you know, down south. Yeah. I haven't actually hunted gators. I haven't actually did that, but yeah.
Oh, I've had it.
Yeah, I've had it. Yeah, I've had gator tail. It was good. It was good.
The only time I had it was when I went to a bar, Texas or something. I don't even remember where I went, but they had gator bites. That was good.
Yep. That's how I had it too. It was gator tail, and it was just bites. It was something similar. Yeah, it was like a bite thing, and there was some kind of sauce that it dipped in. It was pretty good. Foxtail stew. See, I haven't had that either, Warner. So I don't know.
Foxtail?
Yeah.
Costs a fortune here.
That's it. Wow.
Be one of the cheapest
What's it
cuts.
taste like?
It's delicious. It used to be a poor man's food, and now it's a rich man's food.
Oh wow.
Right?
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of the delicacies are kind of turned that way too. Poor man food into rich people food now. Shit, you can buy. You want a raw salad in the USA? You probably pay like $40 for raw salad, everything. Where would you even get foxtail? Thinking about food now.
Butchery. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where they sell it out here. I mean, here in America, but I'm assuming they got it. I mean, I've heard of it. I'm sure they've got it at like. I mean, I don't know what you all got up there, but any year like Publix. I know Publix has stuff like that. I don't think you all have that up there, Aiken. I think Publix is a.
We have like giant.
Yeah. Wegmans. Yeah, Wegmans probably has it. Imagine. I remember Wegmans from being up there.
I've been trying out their cheap cheese, and that stuff is so good. I've been putting it in my taco. No lie. And it actually tastes, for some reason, it like we shred it, so it's like, I don't know. Even when you put it in the oven or something and it melts, it's still so good.
Yeah. Well, I am gonna have wifey make. I gotta make sure I say it right. But you say it. I'm gonna say it wrong. Biltong, right? Is that right? Is that right, Warner? I don't know if I said it wrong, right or wrong, but I'm gonna have her make it. We're gonna try it. Warner sent me a video, so I'll try it out.
No sheep. I say sheep, I mean sheep.
Okay, I said it right. Good. But yeah, we're gonna try that. I just had some. We picked up some elk jerky. I think it was the day before yesterday, and I was trying some. I was eating some yesterday. Made me think of it. Elk jerky. I liked venison and elk. We ran out of venison, but we had some elk jerky, and I had some of that yesterday. I love game meat. I will tell you that. That's one of the things that I really enjoy, guys. Can't help it. Don't know why. I just do. 1 minute till closes of all candles. 4 hour is coming. Yeah. Let's see what we get. This range has already been filled.
Look at Nasdaq. It's probably kind of.
Wow.
Check the Nasdaq on the daily.
Good. That moved down as well. Oh, wow. Yeah. Got a huge gap down there.
Mm-hmm.
It's interesting. I bet we hit that 0.5 too, didn't we?
Oh.
Yep. Pretty perfect tap. Wow. That daily does look good. Oh yeah. Weekly open on gold. Not sure we're gonna get there, guys.
It's not looking good, is it?
No, it's not. It's not. We can start getting back in these areas again with as it wouldn't be bad. I don't think you're gonna get much for algo, but everybody knows what they're looking for down here. And I don't know. Paul says there's been some algo plays that have been all right, but it looks like she's moving quite a bit. But if you can start getting down into this area again and get an opportunity, I mean, unless you find an entry before then, right? Because here's your out with lines, so we don't have too many boxes. But before, tapping on it right now, so we can get back into there, fall down below this area here that we were talking about yesterday. Be able to get down to that gap. Be a big move for today, though. It's a long dang way. I don't know.
Yeah.
Not saying it won't happen. Naz is crazy. It can happen. That's a long way down there. Oof. Naz can do it, though. If anybody can, Naz can. Close below wedge. I like no top wick on NQ candle. Yep. Yep. Oh, look at this flip here. No way. Oh, man.
Looks like maybe the longs try to come in here, Nasdaq.
Yeah, if you notice, second, it's not letting the price fall below 26.80. This is your fourth time now. There's also a stop loss hunt down, literally $1 below that we've drawn up from previous sessions with reality. I just pulled the line across, so she's been held up directly, just right at the stop loss hunt line. It's unbelievable.
The majority of the people want to short it to the gap.
See, this is what my whole worry about today has been. Everybody is thinking exactly the same thing I'm thinking.
Yeah.
So everybody's
I'm thinking
expecting
long
this.
for Nasdaq. Like, I don't see a reason to be going short. Like, if you weren't short earlier, when I had mentioned that if price doesn't hold here, we're going down. Like, I don't know. I think those guys are probably get wrecked.
You do have the previous day low, or I have one of the previous day lows with a VWAP right down as far as 852. I would love to see a massive sharp run down to there, and then do what they've done the last couple of days. Get all of the shorts involved, get a wickless candle, and then just long it back up again.
Yeah, what'd you say? I would say 68 or what? What was your target?
I have
54 or something, you said, right?
yes. The next area, the stop loss hunt, big stop loss hunt, go down at 280. Right, 250. Yeah, you're right, 250. Yeah, around 250. There's a lot of confluences from VWAPs and stop loss hunts, but we need to make it through Wednesday's VWAP about 2077. So I'm just watching her now in 1 minute to see if she's going to run these stops or what she's going to do. No, Smelly, I'm actually looking in the 1 minute for confluences to see what way we're going. Just waiting to watch, see if stop loss hunts happen. See them very quickly in the 1 minute. There we go.
Yeah, man, it was. I was just saying goodbye. I was just saying bye because you said you were rolling out, and I didn't want to interrupt them talking there. But if you're short, I assume you're short. Are you short? Man of the Woods? Said he's in.
I didn't even get in this one. I was just sitting watching, discussing it with Aiken.
Nah. We out of here. Oh, okay. All right, man. I thought you was short. Just can't figure it out. Shorting? I feel that shorting's easier. Am I wrong?
Same as.
Yeah. Does that make you? Yeah, no, right.
I feel like shorting's easier because more people buy. I feel like people buy more. Yeah. As long as I got more patience, yeah. Yeah. Have a good one, man.
Cheers. Fella. Chat to you.
Yeah, I'll see y'all. I won't be here Monday, guys. I've got a doctor's appointment Monday. I'll be back Tuesday. Wifey's got a doctor's appointment Wednesday. And then I'll be here hopefully Thursday and Friday. That's the plan for next week. Paul will be here. Aiken will be here. So any of you guys that, want to hang out, trade all these great things, share concepts, whatever, them guys will be here, active, doing stuff. All you guys that are on Rumble or YouTube, if you want to join the Discord, obviously they will be in there. Have fun with it. Everything's free, guys. Just so you know. Having that 0.5 now. Of that 4. Be a huge stop if you had to try to take this off that 4 hour, though. 4 hour flip will be huge. Could play out about like that, if that makes sense. Hopefully all my lines and boxes don't make it crazy, but that's what we're looking at. 4 hour 0.5, come down, flip, push back area if we're going down. But obviously you can't just get involved here. You're gonna have to go down for time frame, look for some closures in order to trade it back down if you're going to. Again, where do we want to, involved then moves back up? Well, that would be closures back above this area. Up here, defeat the 0.5. We're closing above here for the move up for the weekly open, saying we're going up. The only disadvantage is, and be aware, you have no bottom wick on this 4 hour. So at any time during the next 4 hours, you could come down and put a wick on this candle. Be advised of that. Not saying you can't trade it up. Just be aware that you do have a wickless candle down there. Doesn't have to do it now. Could come up here. You could get a couple 30-minute closes above. You could trade up, and you know what I mean. Get some moves up here, but just be aware that you are still wickless down there. Doesn't mean it doesn't close that way. Just means you could come down and put that wick on. All right. Beware, guys. Be aware. Questions? Oh, I don't think there's going to be a lot here for us, I'll be honest. Want to go over anything?
We've covered most of the stuff. It's just a matter of waiting now and seeing what happens. This is the hardest part of the goddamn game. Whenever you leave, you're left with your own device. Definitely the hardest part of the day.
Yeah, I like the move down. Not gonna lie, I like the flip on the 4 hour. The problem is trying to find a way in. Don't try to jump out of it, but I kind of like it. If you look down at this 15, what you see here essentially is, I always talk about this head and shoulders pattern again. So, and it holds right at this range. They're expecting the move up. We can try to anticipate the move back down. this range and maybe even lower dependent, right? Like, I kind of like that. The problem is you can't just take it where we sit currently. Got a nice 4-hour top wick now for a nice flip, but you do have to find an entry on a lower time frame. Just be aware, we got to run down to the lower time frame, you know, taking advantage of these wicks. Could be about the 0.5, but yep, 0.5 of the previous wick. So it was tested, wick was put on, swept the area, and now we could be tested again. That'll be your right shoulder, right? Back down, move back up. Be very careful of how you get involved here. Maybe it goes up, maybe none of this, maybe we never get that flip, maybe we straight up there. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see, but just be aware of where you're at in it. Make sure that this 4-hour does not have a bottom wick. Maybe even draw it up on your charts, guys. Maybe do something like this. Here, what's the low here? This, but just like that, you know what I mean? Just keep it on your chart. So now, no matter where you're at, you know exactly. Plays, obviously, it's easy to see now because nothing has a bottom wick. But as some more of these candles start printing, realize where you are on this chart. Realize that that is the area that has no wick, right? So it doesn't. Trading is so bad for me in the last 2 months. You've been good. Hey, Rolf. Yeah, trading's been great. I was actually talking about you yesterday. We were trying to go over, because I thought it was you that it came into the server and said that the PA had really been bad for you. And, you know, I thought it'd been good. So we were trying to wrap our head around how different, you know, traders look at it differently and how maybe we could better help those that, you know, struggle with those things. So yeah, I thought it was you that said it. I just wasn't sure. I thought it was. But yeah, we've been good. Here already. I don't know how you get involved though. All joking aside, I'm not saying that you can't. Maybe you go down to the I'm like there too. Yeah. I got payout 2 months ago, and now since that I'm only 0.4 up on my funded. Yeah. I mean, you run through bad and good, but that's what we were trying to figure out, is why it is that some people run through you know, those rockier points. What Paul and I were speaking about yesterday, so that maybe we could help out those rockier points, but I'm not sure what the fix is, right? Quick entry on the 5-minute flip below handle. Now my account is back in the green again. Very nice, Werner. Very great to hear. Absolutely beautiful.
I'll stick to my rules. No trading on Fridays.
Mm-hmm.
Hanging out with y'all. My girlfriend even said that to me yesterday during dinner. She said, "You keep saying you don't trade on Fridays, but you come home with a sad face on Friday." I was like, "Yeah." She's like, "Why do you keep doing that? Stop it on my birthday."
It's absolutely great that you can sit here though. And I mean, that's the discipline side of it, right? You could sit here, you could look at the charts and go over what's going on and not trade. I know most people will be like, well, then what's the point? Because you're showing the discipline, that means you can stop trading dumb setups just the same. If you can sit here and not trade when you see things play and just sit here and watch them, that gives you way more discipline than, you know, not, you know what I'm saying? That makes sense. Super good, super good. Okay, here's the 15 close. We're gonna end up closing 15, no bottom wick. 10 seconds. Like, I don't know, guys. Nope. Nope, nope.
Desde abajo hasta arriba, that's how the story goes. Lost 100 times, but I'm still here standing. Cada pedida taught me new understanding. Now I move smooth like agua en el rio. Got the perfect timing, that's my estilo. All my people eating, we don't stress no more. Built an empire from the knowledge that I stored. Every win I get, I spread gain to my team. Now we all up.
And sitting on your hands takes more than clicking away. Yep, it does. Absolutely. It's just too big. Get rejecting here, well, but better off waiting for the next.
Numbers don't lie, that's why I rely on what I can prove, not what they try. Pattern to pattern, I multiply. Learn from the losses, then watch fly. Let it fly, let it fly. Numbers don't lie, yeah, they tell me why. Some people lose while others rise high. Follow the facts and let them guide. Been patient, now watch me thrive. Started with nothing but time on my
I don't trust that opening 30-minute candle. Awful.
Me neither. That's the problem. I think trying to trust that flip is just try to find a. I think you try to find a better push down, bottom wick to that 4-hour flip, honestly. Flip. So basically what you're looking is longs that have came in, and then you can stop the longs out in order to push the flip down at 4-hour. So think a candle, you know, that's got a wick. You're taking the top wick and the flip to recover this wick, so a red candle, so maybe up and then back down, and then these longs that came in, you get a top wick, you get a flip, and breaking that low will be also the flip of this, so those stop losses push you down to give you momentum. Definitely start managing pretty tough at this. Could be about the 0.5 of that range that we're looking at. Oh, I'd try to look for something more like that. So maybe this candle plays around, next candle comes in, gives a bearish candle with a bottom wick, and then, you know, try to trade the top wick and flip of that candle, possibly. That better. Not saying it won't go before then. I mean, I'll be completely honest. It could run, but I think I would let it do its thing. And even if it does run, let's say it comes down here and it breaks this low, and it gets to this area and the longs come in right here. That doesn't mean that you can't get another entry you know, that will still be a setup because you'll have a bottom wick. Your bottom wick will look more like this, right? With a red candle, you could still get a top wick and flip back down to that area to break that bottom wick and grab this one. So you're not completely out of the woods yet, but I think I'd let this thing do its thing and come in with a bearish candle or two. It's got a nice bottom wick that's playing down into this area rather than just trying to jump on boat here, because I think she's still moving. It wouldn't surprise me if she doesn't flip this candle. I mean, I don't know. Not saying she won't, just saying it wouldn't surprise me if she didn't. Make sure you have a great setup, guys. Like I said, I'd want to see a nice bottom wick down into this area, at least. Maybe even, you know, something to where you get a close down here and get your bottom wick down here, something similar to this candle, and then trade the next one down, expecting to recover this, and then hoping that you can run through it. I'd wait until we at least get a little bearish. She's super bullish now. I mean, I don't see her just falling apart. I guess she could, but I don't see her just falling down.
Nasdaq.
Talk about gold, but Nasdaq's kind of in the same, it's kind of on support too, kind of the same situation as what we're looking at here, honestly. Not that much different. All joking aside, you're at this range, you're at this structure right here. That structure being your next one. Got this structure right here. This structure being your next, and you're trying to break down into here. Hard part is going to be waiting. Can she flip and run? Yes. If you miss this one, you miss this one, in my opinion, because you still could go up. I mean, you want to look for an entry here. Here is the flip on the 15. 7 minutes left, so it's tough, guys. 5, no top wicks. I mean, this is the range on the 5. You see what I'm saying? Really need some kind of something. Trying to jump in here. You're gonna be upset if you try to jump in here. If you're out a reason to get involved, by all means do it, because it is what it is. I can't figure out a reason to jump in there is the problem. Super hard. We still haven't broke that low yet, so it's no big deal. She's still holding. Anticipate it breaking? Yeah, probably. Figure out a reason to get in. I can't find an entry, right? Talk about all day what we think, but we got to have an entry of some kind. Look at this. Stop loss is way too big. I want to see this 30-minute close. I'll joke aside. I'm going to wait. Let's see what it looks like first, and then we'll talk about this all again. Please check the size of the top wick of the current 5-minute. Just testing my... Okay. 5-minute. I got none. 0. Current 5-minute.
How to read the clues. Remember crying when I blew my first stack, but that loss taught me how to bounce back. Now I'm in my zone, reading every trend, making moves that got my whole crew fed. You thought I was crazy, glued to these screens. Now look who's winning, living out these dreams. This ain't luck, baby, this is pure skill. Years of grinding up this market here. They said
originally before that wick came in from Nasdaq, I was gonna say it looks like she's holding in. The wick came in. So it might be playing out.
Yeah.
The long.
MGC is different. It's always a little different, Warner. And you can only trade what you trade, obviously. You know, it's just like when guys used to come in and talk about XAU. You trade what you trade. I wouldn't be too concerned with it, right?
How much difference is there actually between the wicks? I never really pay much attention. I trade on the MGC, but I watch the gold chart.
I think there's going to be a little. I think there's going to be a little difference, and the reason is it seems like to me, and I don't know for sure, but I've been shown this several times. It seems like to me that the micro charts actually move a little more. I know that sounds crazy, but I think there's actually more volume in the micro charts.
That would make sense.
Yeah. But like, yeah, chart what you trade. Yeah, exactly. And I mean, yeah, if your chart, I mean, just try to pay attention to your chart, I guess, if that's what you're doing. I mean, that's probably the best thing, but I think there's more volume in the micros. I think that more people trade it. Therefore it moves a little different. In my opinion, and don't anybody take this to heart or whatever, because I know a lot of people trade micros, but in my opinion, micros seem more choppy. So instead of clean pushes one way, clean pushes the other, it seems like they kind of chop each push. But that's just what I see in it, right? And that by no means am I telling you don't trade your micro. That's not at all what I'm saying. I just feel like they get a little choppy and wicky. They'll kind of spit wicks here and there, you know, to where GC kind of moves smoothly. But again, I think it's got to do with volume more than anything else. So I really do. I think the volume's just higher because there's more traders trading those assets than there is trading, you know, the minis. I'm going to wait for this close. We'll see what it looks like, and then we will talk about it quick. If you guys have any questions, make sure you think about them then. Think about them, and we'll go from there and see what.
I must start paying more attention to that because, like I said, I do all of my charting on the gold chart to use and trade. That's okay. It's interesting.
Yeah, I mean, I prefer minis. Everybody already knows, but yeah, look at that volume. You see what I'm saying? There is. I mean, there much more on the micros, right? The prices themselves even just a bit different. It looks like as well. Yeah, I would. Yeah, just check it and see how it works, if it helps any. See if you know, if you're not getting stopped out because of micros, right? If you're charting and you're not getting stopped out because of micros, I wouldn't be too concerned with it. But if you're taking stops because your, you know, stop loss was above the wick of a mini, let's say, and then it stops you on the micro but wouldn't have on a mini, then that's one thing. You know, maybe you need to move your stop a little bit up for your micro chart. But if that's not what's happening to you, I don't think it'll be right that much of a thing. Then they want to tell me that NQ is worth 10 times more than MNQ. So what? The volume is what counts and moves the market. Yeah, I mean, but that's the only thing that I would tell you, Paul. Like if you're putting, let's just say that you put it, you know, your stop right here at the top, you know, one tick above the top of this wick, and you get stopped out, but it actually didn't take the top of this wick on minis, then maybe you need to look at where the top wick is on micros. You know, that's kind of stuff that could be different. There's the flip on that 15 with 57 seconds left.
And then I trade on the MQ. Study the law of supply and D charts tell the truth, data don't lie. Here's the proof. Watch profits fly.
That long for that flip, but what are you gonna do?
Take a breath. Every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then back in attack, flow like a pro. Stay on the track, watch numbers grow. Cut through the shit, trust what I know. Win bit by bit, put on a show. Every move playing, nothing by chance. Take my stance, seize my advance. Quick with the wits, sharp as a blade, making hits. Getting paid. Getting paid. Bring.
Yeah, I never even opened those. So there's the flip on the 4 hour. I mean, I don't see how you can get involved right here, but if you find a way, go ahead. This is super, super tough. That's the ugliest close ever. Absolutely unbelievable. Ugly, 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 guys. Close below the wick, but we're putting on a bottom wick. They're gonna come up. It's just buff. Yeah, it's just gonna fall apart now. Absolutely unbelievable. There was nothing there for me. If you guys could have got involved there, beautiful, but that is madness. We did close below, for all fairness. It's just no top wick, no nothing. And there's that area we were talking about that's going to be your right shoulder, right, for this head and shoulders pattern. There it is right there. Wait for it to break the lows. All right, guys, any questions? Like I said, just put a top wick on, get another close below, something. I mean, you need something for an entry here. Need something for an entry here, guys. Yeah. That is that area right there. It has played. I'd love to see them stops ran. Once these stops run, it'll run straight down to here, and then you'll get the big stops down below if she comes down here. But very little bottom wick, no top wick. You know, we went bottom first. Probably going to range for a little while. Don't know for sure, but you're probably going to be stuck somewhere in this area for a bit. Would be my thought process. You know, what's in here? Not the greatest Friday, guys. I get a trade and it's not the greatest Friday. Anyway, appreciate y'all for showing up. Does anybody got any questions?
Oh, I think we all know what we're looking for. I'm on a long and I go on the Nasdaq on the 4 hour flip, so I'm just gonna hope it goes.
Very nice.
For me now, so we'll see what happens. So thank you as always, Reality. Great week.
Yep, absolutely, absolutely. Very nice long there too. Came down, break here. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Very nice. All right, have a great weekend, everybody. Aiken, Man of the Woods, Trader Carl, Werner. Have a great weekend, guys. I will see you all Tuesday, bright and early Tuesday morning. I won't be here Monday. YouTube, Rumble. Have a great weekend, everybody. I will see all of you back Tuesday morning. And as always, guys, stay consistent out there.
Cheers, guys.
LearnTradeWin. LearnTradeWin. Let's begin.
Y'all move pieces random, I calculate precise. While you chase quick profits, I'm strategizing twice, 10 steps ahead. Your basic moves I can predict. This ain't no simple game, my method's scientific. Rapid calculations, market oscillations. You stuck on one move plans, I'm seeing combinations. Bank account elevation through smart navigation. While y'all keep hesitating, I'm accumulating. Check and mate, don't hate, this ain't debate. You moved too late, I already sealed your fate. My mind's a supercomputer processing gains, while y'all still confused by simple price change. Learn, trade, win, that's a mission. Learn, trade, win, no competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, get it. Pawns advanced strategic, every move methodic. While y'all play checkers, I'm out here encyclopedic. Quick with the statistics, flowing algorithmic. Brain automatic, profit systematic. Fuck what you heard about fast cash and luck. I studied patterns till my vision got stuck. Now every chart I see reveals the truth. Market manipulation can't shake my groove. Queen takes bishop but controls the field. Knowledge is power, that's my strongest shield. Call me grandmaster of this trading floor, while y'all still learning what the game is for.
Patience in motion, strategic devotion. Watch and learn, feel the burn. Learn, trade, win.
Accelerate the pace, leave no trace. Your simple strategies I'll straight replace with complex calculations, market domination, pure dedication, no hesitation. Been in the lab while y'all been sleeping, studied the craft while y'all been creeping. Now watch me demonstrate perpetual check while your account balance hits the deck.
Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, that's the system.
Checkmate, game over, level up, game over. Learn, trade. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn, yeah. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn.
Started from the bottom with a phone in my hand. Everybody laughed when I said I had a plan. Small account vibes, but my mindset was grand. Now them same folks wanna know where I stand. Been up since 5, studying every line. While they waste time, I'm reading every sign. First few trades hit me like a brick wall, but I ain't give up, now I learn from every fall. You're wasting time, that's what my daddy said. Get a real job, man, I mess with my head. But I kept pushing, kept my focus tight. Now my account growing, future looking bright. Hey, learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. My time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Learn, baby. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Red candles had me doubting everything. Green days came slow like a broken wing, but I studied hard, yeah, I paid my dues. Now I'm teaching others how to read the clues. Remember crying when I blew my first stack, but that loss taught me how to bounce back. Now I'm in my zone, reading every trend, making moves that got my whole crew fed. You thought I was crazy, glued to these screens. Now look who's winning, living out these dreams. This ain't luck, baby, this is pure skill. Years of grinding up this market hill. They said I couldn't make it, but I did. Said I should quit trading. Now look who's calculating while they stay hating. Hey. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. Yeah. Watch and learn. I stay quiet while they loud. Keep it cool in the crowd. Watching charts day and night. Taking notes, got my lane. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Lost it all back in May. Learned my rules, found my way. No emotions when I trade, calculate every play. Check the trends, read the signs, take my time. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Style money. Style money. Started from zero, now I'm up. Studied the game, built it up. Losses taught me what I know. Now I move smart, watch it grow in my zone. Trust on screen, everything moving clean. No distractions, clear mind. Perfect timing, by design. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent money. Yeah. Watch and learn. Silent moves. That's how we do it.
Yeah. You fuck that weak shit. I stay focused while they all quit. Let's go.
All day I grind, screen in my face. Numbers align, set my own pace. Fuck what they say, I got my way. Most walk away, but I'm gon' stay. Quick with the clicks, mindful of tricks. Ain't no look shit, pure analytics. Watch how I move, cold and precise. Ready to prove, bid it their price. Wait and strike, do it right. Learn the game, stack the game. Patient hunt, front to front. This my time, watch me climb. Fuck all the noise, clear out my head. Make the right choice, stack up this bread. Quick on the draw, but timing is key. Study the law of supply, yeah. D, charts tell the truth, data don't lie. Here's the proof, watch profits fly. Discipline tight, mind in the zone, do this shit right. I'm on thrive.
Down, take a breath, every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then
back in attack, flow like a pro. Stay on the track, watch numbers grow. Cut through the shit, trust what I know. Win bit by bit, put on a show. Every move planned, nothing by chance. Take my stance, seize my advance. Quick with the wits, sharp as a blade, making hits. Getting paid, getting paid. Ring, 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 ring. Charts on my screen, mind in the zone. Studying patterns while I'm all alone. Fuck all the bullshit, this ain't no game. When I hit that trade, watch the profit rain. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great.
clicks, analysis tight. Market's moving, but I time it right. See that signal, I don't hesitate. Years of losses taught me how to navigate. Finger on the trigger, heart beating fast. Each trade I take, built from lessons past. Fucking with precision, watch how I flow. Red to green, baby, that's how we go. Charts telling stories, I read them clear. While amateurs panic, I persevere. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Community strong, we share what we know. Each trade we take helps the other one grow. Fuck the FOMO, we stay calculated. Patient assassins, highly rated. Break down resistance, support won't bend. Technical masteries where we transcend. Keep it controlled, no emotional trades. That's how the real fucking money gets made. Discord buzzing, knowledge flowing free. Real-time updates from LTW family. Chart patterns forming, we spot them quick. Experience taught us which ones to pick. Slow it down, let me tell you something clear. Every loss I took brought me right here. Built my strategy through blood and tears. Now I execute without any fears.
Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Time to accelerate, watch how I close. Each trade I take, building verbose. Rapid execution, precision sharp. Like a fucking sniper in the dark. No hesitation when I see the sign. Years of practice got my skills refined. Community backing every move I make. That's why this shit isn't carts till they knew my name.
This ain't luck, this is pure damn skill. Watch how we fucking climb up this hill. Learn, trade, motherfucking win. That's the mindset that we're always in. Discord army, we don't ever quit. Making history with every hit.